How to find notification settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find notification settings on Facebook Lite. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then just click these three lines here in the top corner, and after you click on it just go down. Here you will find settings and then click notifications, and as you see here you can manage notification settings on Facebook Lite. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.